Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Students, in this session we discuss detailed solution of your mathematics question paper 2023-24 class 7. So guys, let's start the session. If you are new in my channel, then you can subscribe my channel for more video. So first question number 1, 20 marks. Choose the correct option. 5 to the power 3 divide 5 to the power 9 is equal to dash. We know that if the base are same, then the divide, then we subtract power. So 5 to the power 3 minus 9, that is 5 to the power minus 6. So answer is option number D. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. In the standard form, the number this is written as this, where the n equal to dash. Here is big number. When you convert as the standard form, you should satisfy the value of the k, that is less than 10 and greater than 0. Yes or no? So the value is 7 point. So decimal should be after 7. Yes, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the power 4, that is option number C is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. Suppose the question एमिन था suppose 0.00007 a case रे negative ही था. Okay. Next question. Question number 3. If 8 by 3 whole to the power 7x equal to 1, we can write 1 as 8 by 3 whole to the power 0. Yes or no? So now base are equal, then also power is equal, that is 7x equal to 0. Now x equal to 0. So option number B. Next question. The angle included between the side DE and EF of triangle DEF is dash. First draw a triangle, that is DEF. Now side DE, okay, and EF included this angle, the DEF. So angle is DEF. Option number A is the correct answer. Understand? Next question. Question number 5. If PQ equal to YZ, Q equal to Z, QR equal to ZX, then PQ are congruent to dash by such condition. Okay. So PQ, here first is PQ. देखो first PQ लिखा है जी. Next arrow YZ. So YZ to start करो. So YZ, another is X. So answer is YZX. Triangle YZX. So option number B is the correct answer. Next question. The diameter of a circle whose circumference given. So we know that circumference, that is 2 pi r or pi d. Yes or no? So pi d equal to 22. Now find the d. D equal to 22 divided by pi. Put the value, that is 22 divided by 22 by 7. So 7 by 22. ऊपर पड़ेगा 7. 22 cancel. So answer is 7. Option number B. Understand? Next question. The area of the rhombus whose side given and corresponding altitude are given. We know that all the rhombus are parallelogram, yes or no? So put the area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Now put the value, that is the area given. So in place of area we put 5.5, sorry, area देनी find out करिबा, sorry, 5.5 base. So put 5.5 into corresponding altitude is 2. 5 means 110, so 11. So answer is 11 meters square. Okay. Next question. Which alphabet has no line of symmetry? So option number C is the correct answer, because H ray 2 line of symmetry. There are the 2 line of symmetry. In B there is 1 line of symmetry. And T 1 line of symmetry. So option number C is the correct answer. Okay. And O has infinite number of the line of symmetry. Okay. Next question. What is the other name of the line of symmetry of a line segment that is perpendicular bisector? Next question. Which triangle has no line of symmetry? That is scalene, because in scalene triangle all sides are different. That's why they have no line of symmetry. Okay, scalene triangles are no line of symmetry. Next question. आइसोस्केल्स मन रखिबो 1 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल रो 3 आइसोस्केल्स राइट एंगल रो 1 नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन x to the power minus 2 is the reciprocal of dash simply reverse that is 1 by x to the power 2 or we can write 1 by x square okay two circle are congruent if they have dash if they have same radius base of a rhombus is dash meter when the perimeter given we know that rhombus perimeter equal to 4 into side is equal to 14.8 now side equal to divided with 4 so 4 3 ja 12 28 4 7 ja so answer is 4.7 meter. Ratio of the circumference of a circle its diameter is denoted by the symbol that is pi. Next question if dotted line represent the line of symmetry of a given angle then the value of x equal to dash okay total is 90 yes or no. So this is because line of symmetry divided into two parts. So this is 45 also it is 45 so x equal to 45 degree. Okay. Next question. Find the SCF of the term of the expression 2BQ. So find out SCF of 2BQC comma 4b to the power 4c square comma 16b square c square. Now find the SCF. First find the SCF from the number that is 2, 4 and 16 that is 2. Yes or no? 2, 4, 16. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 8 ja. So SCF is 2. Now SCF of the B that is smallest is 2. So answer is B square. And SCF of C square C that is C. The minimum number is C. That's why answer is 2b square c. Okay. Next question. In the given figure, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are the congruent with B angle is equal to Q angle and C angle equal to R angle. Name the one additional pair. So by congruent condition is AAC means two angle one sides. Okay, two angle already given. That is BC, so B angle and C angle, so each side is BC. So the another additional pair is BC equal to PQ. Okay. Sorry, BC equal to QR. Sorry, BC equal to QR. Okay. Next question. Question number 18. What is the length of the perpendicular of the right angle triangle whose area given and the smallest side is given? Okay. So answer question number 18. Area of a right angle triangle is equal to 30 centimeter square. On the smallest side is equal to 5. So perpendicular find out kariba. So we know hypotenuse square formula area is equal to 1 by 2 base into height. Yes or no? Height means perpendicular. So in place of area we put 30 is equal to 1 by 2 base equal to 5 into h. Now h equal to 30 into 2 by 1 into 1 by 5. 5 6 are 30, 6 2 are 12. So answer is 12 centimeter. Okay. Question number 19. Write the number of the triangular face of a rectangular pyramid. So rectangular pyramids means 4 triangular faces are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes or no? So answer is 4. Draw the net of the tetrahedron and write the number of the vertices of the tetrahedron. Okay. First draw the tetrahedron means first you draw the triangle. Also one side also draw a triangle. Here also draw a triangle. Here also draw a triangle. This is the nets of the tetrahedron. Write the number of the vertices. Number of the vertices means 1, 2, 3. ये यदि हमें join करियो 1 आसी जो ऊपर है, so 4. There are the 4 vertices are there. Okay. Next question. Write the reciprocal of this. Okay. First we solve, that is 3 by 5 into minus 2 by 9 to the power minus 2. Now cancel 3 3 ja, so here equal to minus 2 divided by 15 to the power minus 2. Now you can write minus 15 by 2 to the power plus 2. So find the reciprocal. So write down reciprocal of minus 15 by 2 to the power 2 is equal to minus 2 by 15 to the power 2. Okay, or you can write minus 15 by 2 to the power minus 2. Okay. Next question. Question. Express these as the power of the rational number. We can write 343 as 7 into 7 into 7. Yes or no? And 512 we can write 8 into 8 into 8. Yes or no? So here we also write 7 by 8 whole to the power 3, or you can write 7 ra 3 minus divided by 8 ra 3, total equal to 7 by 8 whole to the power 3. Bahar ho minus, or we can write also, or other method is minus 343 we can write minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7 divided by 8 into 8 into 8. Now we can write minus 7 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3. Yes or no? So equal to minus 7 by 8 whole to the power 3. Clear? Next question. The sum of the two rational number is given. So you can write according to question, sum of the two rational number, that is 2 by 3 plus other rational number is equal to minus 7. So other rational number minus 7 minus 2 by 3, LCM is 3 minus 21 minus 2, that is minus 23 divided by 3. So answer is minus 23 by 3. Okay. Next question. Insert the two rational number between 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. So first rational number is, formula is 1 by 2, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Now solve 1 by 2, LCM is 4 by 4, denominator same, only add the numerator. So equal to 1 by 2, 4 4 1. So next, second rational number equal to same 1 by 2, first is 1 by 4, then middle is 1 by 2. So write down 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into LCM is 4, 1 plus 2, that is 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 8. So two rational number are, one is 1 by 2 and 3 by 8. Okay, next question. Solve the equation. Okay, 2 by 5 x plus x by 4 is equal to 13. Now take LCM, that is 20. 5 4 ja, 4 2 ja 8x plus 4 5 ja, 5 1 ja 5x is equal to 13. Now 13x divided by 20 is equal to 13. That implies x equal to 13 into 20 by 13. Now 13 cancel, so x equal to 20. Next question. The vertical angle of a isosceles triangle is 80. Okay, suppose this is a vertical triangle. The vertical angle is 80 degree. Suppose the isosceles triangle vertical angle is 80 degree. Find the measurement of the base angle. We should find this angle. So this is ABC. Now write down. ABC triangle is a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. Yes or no? We can write that implies B angle equal to C angle. Here opposite sides, the opposite angle are equal, opposite sides of opposite angle are equal. Yes or no? So now by angle sum property we can write sum of the three angle is equal to 180, means A angle plus B angle plus C angle is equal to 180 degree. Now put the value. A angle means 80, B angle plus B angle is equal to 180 degree. That implies 2B angle is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree is equal to 100 degree. Now B angle is equal to 100 divided by 2, that is 50 degree. So find the measurement of the base angle. So base angles are 50 degree, 50 degree. Okay. Next question. In a right angle triangle, if the angle measure is 35 degree, okay. Suppose this is a right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree. So one angle is 35 degree. Find the other third angle. So write down third angle. ABC is a right angle triangle. Here B equal to 90 degree, C equal to 35 degree. By angle sum property, we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now put the value in place of A. Write A plus B, that is 90, plus C means 35 is equal to 180 degree. Now A equal to 180 degree minus 5, 12, 125 degree, that is 5, 7 to 5, 55 degree. Okay. So the third angle of the right angle triangle is 55 degree. Next question. Find the value of x and y in the given figure. So x first of all find out kariba. Dekho triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. So put the value, that is 40 plus y plus 75 is equal to 180 degree. Now y equal to 180 degree minus 40 plus 75, that is 5, 11 is equal to 5, 7, 1, 6, 65 degree. So y equal to 65. So find x is equal to B angle plus A angle because of exterior angle property. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Now x equal to B equal to 65 degree plus A equal to 40 degree. Now 65 plus 40, that is 5, 1, 1, 5. Okay. 115 degree. So next part को हमें next part complete करिबा और जो remaining questions अछि न वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जिवो. Thank you.